problem. Find the rank of the following matrix by reducing in row echelon form. Here the matrix is 1 2 1 2, 1 3 2 2, 2 4 3 4, 3 7 4 6. Listen. Here find the rank of this matrix by reducing row echelon form. For that, we reduce this matrix to the row echelon form. That is, for that, consider the first row. Listen, consider the first row. First non-zero element will be 1. Consider the first row. First non-zero element will be 1. Here the first non-zero element is 1. Already 1. So, next step, the remaining elements of that column will be zeros. That is this 1, 2 and 3 will be zeros using elementary transformations. That is this 1 will be 0 means 1 minus 1. Diagonal 1. 1 minus 1. Then this place 2 will be 0. 2 minus 2 into 1. Not this one. The diagonal 1. 1 1 place. 2 minus 2 into 1. Here 3 minus 3 into 1 is 0. Listen. First one 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 means this one in R2. This is in R1. So R2 gives R2 minus R1. And second, this place 2 minus 2 into 1. This 2 is R3. R3 gives R3 minus 2 R1. Then last one is 3 minus 3 into 1. That is R4 minus 3 into R1. That is R4 gives R4 minus 3 R1. So, listen. 1, R1 same. Row 1 same. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then second, R2 gives R2 minus R1. R2 is 1, 3, 2, 2. This is R2. R2 minus R1. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. That is 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Then next transformation is R3 minus 2 R1. R3 minus 2 R1. Here R3, 2, 4, 3, 4 minus 2 R1. What is R1? 1, 2, 1, 2. The corresponding R1, 1, 2, 1, 2. That is, listen, 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2. That is 2 minus 2, 0. Here 4 minus 2 into 2. 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Then 2 into 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. Here 4 minus 2 into 2, 4. That is 4 minus 4 is 0. That is 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. Last one, R4 minus 3 R1. R4, 3, 7, 4, 6. 3, 7, 4, 6 minus 3 R1. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 3 minus 3 into 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 7 minus 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 4 minus 3. 3 into 1, 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. And 6 minus 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. That is 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. Listen. For to convert the row echelon form, for that first we consider the row 1. In row 1, first non-zero element will be 1. Here the first non-zero element will be 1. And the remaining elements of that column will be zeros. That is 0, 0, 0. Next, we consider the second row. In second row, first non-zero element will be 1. That is here, this is 0. First non-zero element is already 1. Then next step is the elements below this 1 has to be zeros. That is this place and this place has to be zeros. Here 1, 0. This place has to be 0. That is, this place means this 1 minus this 1. This is the diagonal one. This 1 minus 1, we get 0 here. So, R4, next transformation is R4 gives R4 minus R2. This place 0 means 1 minus 1. That is, this is R4 minus R2. That is R1 same, R2 same, R3 same, 0, 0, 1, 0. R4 is R4 minus R2. Listen, R4 minus R2, this is R4, this is R2. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Listen, start from the beginning. First non-zero element in the first row. Here 0, 1. Then below elements, the elements below this 1, that is the elements in that column will be zeros. Here 0, 0, 0. Next we consider the second row. First non-zero element is 1. Here 1. Then elements below this 1, 0, 0. That step okay. Then we consider the third row. Third row means this is the third row. First non-zero element has to be 0. Sorry, first non-zero element has to be 1. That is here, first element is 0. Here also 1, 0. This is the first non-zero element. That non-zero element already 1. That is below this one only one place. That is already 0. So, this is the echelon form. Listen, first row, first non-zero element 1. Below element 0. In second row, first non-zero element 1. Below element 0. Then third row, first non-zero element 1. Below 0. Then last row, all the elements are 0. So, this is the echelon form of this matrix. This form is called the row echelon form or echelon form. This is the echelon form. Echelon form. Then rank. One more term is here, rank. Find the rank. What is the rank of this matrix? Listen, rank. Rank equal to, in the echelon form, number of non-zero rows is the rank. Listen, in echelon form, number of non-zero rows is called the rank of this matrix. Listen, what is non-zero matrix? Non-zero rows. Listen, this is 1, 2, this row contains non-zero element. So, this row is non-zero row. This is the second row. Second row contains non-zero element. So, this is also non-zero row. Then third row, here 0, here 0. but here 1. This only non-zero element is this one. So this row is also non-zero row. Then last row, all the elements are 0. That row is called 0 row. All the elements are 0. That row is called 0 row. This is non-zero row. This is non-zero row. This is non-zero row. This is 0 row. Here, number of non-zero rows, 1, 2, 3. 3 is the number of non-zero rows. So, here rank is 3. That is, in the echelon form, number of non-zero rows is the rank.